Hi, I'm Judy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make peanut butter noodles. If you have a kid love peanut butter, your husband love peanut butter, that's great. And trust me, it's a good dish to put on a table and your friend and family are gonna be amazed at how well peanut butter can go with the noodles. Okay, let's start. Ingredient we have is crunchy peanut butter, soy sauce, dried noodles, brown sugar, and cucumbers. Okay, now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. So it's 1. I just use my finger. I already washed my hands. And 2. And 3. And now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Why I use brown sugar? Because brown sugar has some mineral nutrition. I feel like a white sugar. You can use white sugar too, but for me, I prefer brown sugar, and it has a special taste that I like. Here we have 3 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of water. I prefer use warm or hot water to melt all the ingredients together, and then they're gonna become a peanut butter sauce. So I'm gonna use the hot water, and this is the water I boil for my noodle. So just 3 tablespoons of hot water, and I'm gonna mix all the sauce together. You can see the peanut butter is kind of hard to melt in the water because it's the oil. But with the hot water, it will make it easier. But after a while, your sauce should look like this. We're gonna cook our noodles. Okay, the noodle I have just need 3 minutes, and then after the water is boiled, and I just need to pour a half cup of cold water and wait until the water reboil, and my noodle is ready. But if you are gonna use different type of noodles, just make sure that you read the box instruction how to make your noodle to the texture that you like. Okay, my noodle is ready. Time to mix it up. Let's do it. You probably ask me why I don't want to use the drainer. Well, if I can save some water sometime, not washing other tools, why not? So I just use my chopsticks to get all the noodles to the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna mix that all together. And don't worry about the water left on the noodles, because your sauce have a lot of flavors, so you don't need to worry that the water will die down the flavor of the peanut butter sauce. And look, you see the peanut butter chunk? And at the end, we just put some cucumber on top. And I know some kids like corn. You can put some corn too, but that's my peanut butter noodle. Now time to try my noodle. Look how beautiful it is. It's so good. Go try it. and let me know how you liked it. Have a good day, bye!